Joe, I gotta say, I was happy to see that sun out today, kind of melting some of that snow that we got last night, and also then kind of last week too, that was on the ground.
I know, it's crazy how much a little bit of sunshine can help when salt is on the roadway.
Right.
Helps to kind of heat up that pavement a little bit and enough to kind of melt some of that off. So yeah, it was great to see the sunshine today and great to see the road conditions vastly improve as we've gone throughout the day. So looking at the storm total for snowfall, Fort Dodge, the winner, if you want to call it that, again, kind of like last weekend. 16.5 last weekend, 9 inches from this storm, and Ames with 8 inches. Webster City with 7. Roland, Napier, 7 and 6.8. It was quite the storm for some of us. And then you saw the southwest part of the metro and southwest Iowa get pretty much nothing. I mean, you had 1.7 inches at the airport, and you go up to Johnston at the National Weather Service office, and there was 5.7. So a big difference just in the Des Moines area alone. Now, wind speeds, good news here. They are a little bit died down from what we saw earlier today. Feels like temperatures right now sitting in the single digits below zero for many. It is one of those things where watch for a couple slick spots that may still remain out there. But for the most part, roads are okay. Just bundle up. Pretty cold out there. And also don't want you to worry too much about this coming in. Now, some of us could see a light snow shower or two, and it is creating for roads to become partially covered once again in northwest Iowa. But as I mentioned, it's going to be very spotty as it tries to move in. We do have enough dry air in place right now. Clouds are going to return with it, but we are going to see that across far north central Iowa getting in on a snow shower or two, and that is it. Not really looking at anything for accumulation. And as we get into Monday and into the overnight hours tonight and into Monday morning, take a look at where the wind direction is. It's coming up from the south. That's really going to help us out when it comes to temperatures. Take a look at this. Even though we're going to start out in single digits tomorrow morning, we're going to get all the way up towards the freezing mark. And for the first time in what feels like a while, I know it's only been a few days, but still, it feels like the cold has been here for a while. 38 on Tuesday, but then we take that roller coaster right back down. And there is a reason for that. So we've had this pattern where multiple systems are dropping down, call them clipper systems from the northwest in Canada. They drop down, and as they drop down, if they go to the north of us, they pull in that warm air. That's why we're going to see those temperatures on Tuesday, but then the roller coaster back down is because behind these systems, they pull down the cold air from the northwest. So that's why we've got such a little bit of a rise in temperature to start the week, but then back down we go. And if we're talking about impactful systems in any way, it does look as though Thursday is going to be the day that we will have to watch for, especially because that looks like the best potential for central Iowa to pick up on accumulating snow, but multiple different chances in there for a little bit of